the one I'm going to show you today is the Melanie. This one has a very large cap. This is 8.5 by 9 inches, and it's a mono top. And you can see this area here is very large. So I would be able to move my part anywhere within this area. And this is pretty big. So I'm gonna put that on here in just a second. So the loss is pretty real, my friends. So I'm going to try to line up my part as close as I can without going past my hairline here in the front. So I'm just gonna snap these two, and then I'm gonna hold this and just tug a little bit back here to get it all the way down. Now I'm gonna do the back one on my left, hold it and do the back one on my right. And then I'm gonna do the one on the right side and the one on my left side. And I am leaving the front one for just a second while I make sure that this is all where I want it to be. I think I might try to move the part. Look at how well it blends already without anything. And then look, I mean, va 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 voom, right? It's my new favorite topper.